Hey dear viewers, in the short YouTube video I wanna review the BFF application. So I'm gonna be showing you how to download this application, and of course I wanna tell you a bit about this app. So the BFF application is an application where you can find new friends, just make new friends, chat with them, and so on. So you can easily install this application in Play Store if you use Android device, or in App Store, of course. So let's open up Play Store in my case and type in the search box BFF. And here is the necessary application. BFF Make Friends by Bumble. So first of all, let's of course install this application just by clicking on the install button and see what kind of application it is. So find your people. Right here you can see the interface of this application. So plan events, the whole group will love, show more of who you are, make friends one-on-one, who just get you, okay. So this is how the app looks like. The application has already more than 100,000 downloads, and of course the rating is pretty good, 4.3. And of course, let's read the description of this app. The friendship app to meet people near you, chat, join social events and groups. Join millions already using the new Bumble BFF to connect, chat, and build friendships that last. Find your people, whatever you're new to town, starting college, moving through a life shift, or just want to meet people who get you. Bumble BFF is built to make finding your people easier and safer. So the app looks pretty good. There are a lot of really good reviews, and I advise you to use this application. So just install it and try to use. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.